really good, just perfectly done. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So I want to thank you all for coming today. So today we'll be cooking rice, and we're going to be cooking 1 cup of rice in the microwave, as you may have seen on the topic already. So this is it. So first of all, we are going to need to wash it thoroughly. So let's go. Trust me when I say this, guys, this is by far the easiest way of doing it. The idea is to wash it thoroughly so that we remove all the starch. See, the water has changed color. If you'd like to see the type of microwave that I'll be using, remember this video? Okay, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below so that you can just click to watch it. See, the water is clear now, so that means we are done. So I'm just going to drain all the water. Yeah, we're done. Alright. So we will be using this casserole to cook the rice. So we're going to put in the rice. So okay, we are then going to add some water, 1 1/4 cup of water into the rice. Alright, next thing, we're going to be adding in a little bit of oil, like just a 1/4 teaspoon of oil, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. And then we mix it all together. Here comes the fun part. Place it here. So as you can see, the microwave does a lot of stuff that it can do. There's micro, there's grill, there's combi, and then there's the cook mode. There's the inverter defrost mode, there is popular menu, and then there's inverter cook. Alright, so what we're going to be using is just the microwave mode. Okay, I'm going to close it now and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Okay, it will be displaying the time right here. It's quite early. So what I do is I just press the start button. I don't know if you can see it, but this is what I do. So we're going to put 11 minutes here, and see, and then you can use this option to get to 11 minutes by just adding 30 seconds at a time, or you can use this button, see, popped out, and then you use this part. Okay, just like this. So this is 11 minutes, and then I will just be coming here and just checking how it's doing. Right, when you put things in the microwave, you just need to come and check on regular intervals so that it doesn't burn. Right, I know it depends on the type of microwave that you have, the minutes that you're going to be putting here, but this is it. So here's the thing, when it gets to 6 minutes, normally I just stop it, and I have to clean the turntable because it has been bubbling up and it is spilled over on the turntable. So what I do is I just open it, I just clean it up a bit, and then I put it back. Okay, let's put it back. Close the micro. So we were on 5 minutes 56 seconds, so that's just, we just press start so that it continues. Alright. So the trick with the rice is that as soon as you take it out, you just want to let it rest. So I'm just gonna put it on here. So I'm gonna put it here and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. It will continue to cook with the steam that is in there. So you don't want to immediately open it. You just want it to, you know, you want to let it rest for a while. We're going to open it and serve. Oh, look at that. See how the rice is really good? Not overdone, just perfectly done. Okay, and it's also not clumpy. It's just perfect. So now I'm going to transfer it into my little bowl here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please drop it in the comments. I will definitely respond to you. Okay. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.